Hello and welcome to Highly Tutorials, an in-depth guide on how to utilize the Highly Multifamily Automation Suite. In this tutorial, we are going to outline how you can import leads into your My.Highly database. This will allow you to send emails to specific lead groups and residents. Let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need a spreadsheet saved as a CSV file with all of your prospects and residents. This spreadsheet should have 5 columns: first name, last name, email, prospect status, and resident status. Prospect status can be active, dead, leased, or non-applicable. Resident status can be current, future, past, or non-applicable. Each row represents a prospect or resident. If you are working in Google Spreadsheets like me, you can click File, Download As, Comma-Separated Value, or CSV. Now that you have a CSV file, log into your My.Highly account and go to your Leads app. Once you're on the Leads main page, click on its app menu and select Import Export. This is where you'll be importing your leads. Click on the Upload CSV file link on the Leads navigation bar. Once you're on the page, click the Select File button under the section Step 1 Upload CSV. Find your CSV file and select it to be uploaded onto your My.Highly database. Once it's been selected, a pop-up dialog box will appear. This dialog box is to help you verify the rows and columns in the spreadsheet. The rows indicate the number of residents plus 1 for the field labels. In our case, our file contains 5 fields as I showed you before: first name, last name, email, prospect status, and resident status. If everything matches up with your imported spreadsheet, click the Looks Good button. If you notice any errors, click the Let Me Restart button and make the necessary corrections. Now we are going to map fields so the fields in the spreadsheet are imported to the fields in the database. In our case, our first row contains column names, so we will check the option First Row Contains Column Names. Make sure the property name is correct. Select Email for the email field. Select Prospect Status for prospect status. We are going to leave the prospect status date as the default, which is the day of the import. And we're going to select Resident Status for the resident status field. And we're going to leave Batch as the default setting. Now we are going to scroll down to the non-essential fields. If you have 1 field for name, you can leave this checkbox checked. But if you have 2 fields for name, make sure to unselect the Compact View checkbox. Map the first name and last name. We are going to leave the rest of the values as null for this tutorial. For step 3, put your email in the field so you are notified when the database is updated with your list. Then click Load File. Check your inbox for the confirmation email. And once you get it, you can click the link at the bottom of this page and see your database full of residents and prospects. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck importing your leads into the My.Highly database, and we hope to see you again soon.